right, on today's video, we are back at the range, and today we are going to be doing another ammo test with the Smith Wesson M&P 2.0 22 Magnum. Now the ammo we're going to be testing today, this is the Winchester Varmint HV. Now this does have a 30 grain Hornady VMAX bullet in it. Now the rating on the speed of this is 2,250 feet per second, obviously out of a rifle and not out of the M&P 2.0. All right, we got 5 rounds of the Winchester HV loaded up. Going to shoot a 5-shot group through the chrono. See how fast these are. 1534. 1538. 1505. 1477. And 1461. All right, we got 4 of them all within about 3/4 of an inch right here. One right there. I think that's our most accurate round we've tested on the channel yet. All right, we got 20 rounds of the Winchester Varmint HVs loaded up. Let's see if it'll run all 20 of these. There was 21 of them in there, but it did run them all. Forgot I had to throw an extra one in because the box was empty. All right, let's go down and check his targets. Target on the left, all alphas. Target on the right, all alphas. All right, I only had 9 rounds of that Winchester HV left, so we're gonna shoot a 10-shot group at 25 yards with them. Camera's down there rolling. All right, ran them all. Let's get out and see how we did. All right, actually got all alphas. All right, my final thoughts on the Winchester HV 30 grain hollow points. These are another great round. These are pretty much the same thing as the 30 grain Hornady VMAXs we tested on the channel. I think the speeds are exactly the same. It's actually using the same polymer tipped VMAX bullet. It's just these are gray instead of the red like the Hornadys. But yeah, I'm gonna have to watch the footage and see if these were throwing flames like the Hornadys were. But yeah, so this is a brand new box, unopened box, but we ended up shooting 50 of these today through it. And same deal as with all the other ammos we're out here testing today. No extraction issues, no failure to feeds. The M&P is just running like a champ now. We had 2 failure to feeds right at the beginning when I first got the gun and we started filming with it. And I believe this is about the 8th different kind of ammo we've used in the gun now, and they're all running flawless. So still got a few more boxes of stuff we haven't tested on the channel. We'll get them out here, make some more videos. But yeah, I can't recommend that 22 mag M&P enough. It's just a fun gun to have at the range, you know. I wouldn't want to carry it. I wouldn't want to use it for personal protection or anything like that, but man, for a fun plinking gun at the range, it's pretty hard to beat. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.